Hello everybody, it is Andrea, your global voice under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. If you haven't checked out my post on social media today, I encourage you to do so. Today when we were out and about, we came across an unfortunate situation where there was somebody who was in need of support, guidance, food, clothing, as well as possibly some financial assistance. And without further ado, we decided to pay it forward on many different levels. It was kind of eye-opening after we had done so, as we do this frequently, support those in our community who may not have everything that they need to withstand a healthy, happy, financial, stable lifestyle. But what was most rewarding was the feeling of gratitude, appreciation, and the awareness of paying it forward and not only receiving but giving to others. And that's what I'm always about. You know, my family has always taught me, always give, expect nothing in return, and live with abundance within your heart. Not so much the materialistic items, but the traits and qualities that are priceless. And it was very powerful today to experience and witness this through another's eyes. The questions that followed. Why isn't anybody else supporting? Why isn't anybody else helping? Why does this situation and circumstance have to be the way it is? And in my post this morning, or this earlier today, was stop waiting for other people to change. Be the change. You know, in this world, in this society and community we live in, it's gotten to the point, in my perspective over time, of a dog eats dog world. And I'm a firm believer that we continuously strive and aim and thrive towards rising and uniting, living life through our hearts and minds combined, as opposed to our egos and strictly what's in our mindset, if you will. In order to change the world, we must change ourselves. In order to make impact, we must impact ourselves. And in order to understand one another for their shortcomings, flaws, mishaps, and mistakes, we must understand ourselves. And once we are able to have self-awareness, self-assurance, and the recognition that in order to have a rippling effect upon others, we must help and love ourselves within, rather than get frustrated of those less fortunate, those who do wrong, those who have been enabled, those who aren't on the right path, those who continuously make poor choices. Stop judging and start helping. Be part of the solution as opposed to adding on to the problem. These individuals are reminded every single day of their shortcomings and mistakes, and they have given up and they have faltered to accepting that the way they are is the end all. I want you to stop judging and start joining me in making impact and influence. What are you doing to enhance the quality of your own life? What are you doing as far as your reflections, your actions, your mannerisms, your mindset, and your behaviors to allow the world to change for the better? Are you constantly critiquing others? Are you constantly comparing yourself to others? Are you constantly getting frustrated and have a perceived judgment without knowing the whole story? And if you do know the whole story, what are your attributes and contributions to guide and be there for that person, to help them make the change when they are ready? I'm a victim of it in my earlier years. I used to get frustrated and I wanted to change everybody. But in order for me to change others, I had to be a role model. I had to change myself and transform within. And once I decided I was no longer had the right, the power, or wanted to judge others, that was not my role. No one has the right, the power, or the ability to do so. You make the changes of your own path. You create your own life and mannerisms. And once you put it in the control of another person, you are not living your best life. We are all given gifts, skills, and talents. And at times we need supporters, advocates, cheerleaders to root us on in those areas and extend our hand to help lift us up when we fall short. I encourage you today, starting now, what are you doing with your own reflection to enhance your quality of life? And what contributions are you making within your community to change this world, to make it a beautiful place where we all can live together in harmony as one human race, living a life of love, passion, respect, authenticity, and integrity. Join me in making this world a better place. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. We must ignite the flame within to allow our light to be shunned upon those in the dark. What act of kindness, act towards the solution, are you providing for others? And if you haven't done so, right now is no better time to start. My name is Andreamason, your global voice under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach, reminding you every single day you have the right, the ability, and choice to press play. Plan life according to you. Follow your heart and not the herd, for on the other side is happiness and success. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, bringing you daily content every single day, and I will see you in the next video. Be well.